Could this be the one? Could OpenArt AI's new director feature finally be the AI tool that creates a complete, professional-looking music video without forcing you to rebuild the entire thing yourself? But there's one major problem. This feature can cost around 60,000 credits to generate a single music video. And depending on how you purchase those credits, that could mean spending hundreds of dollars. So is this director feature really capable of producing something worth that kind of investment? Or are we about to burn through 60,000 credits on another unusable AI video? Today, I'm going to put that to the test. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through OpenArt AI's newest music video production tool, the director feature. This method is much more involved than OpenArt's simple music video generator that is available still in the previous version in OpenArt's dashboard. Instead of asking for only a song, character, and basic description, the director feature guides you through a series of questions designed to help you shape the production. The idea is that by gathering more information, OpenArt can create a music video that feels more intentional, connected, and professionally produced. But that additional control comes at a massive cost. In my last video, we tested OpenArt AI's simpler music video feature, and that only required about 7,000 credits. Unfortunately, the final result was not usable without massive edits. Scenes are disconnected, the creative direction was inconsistent, and it would have required extensive work to turn it into something that I would actually publish. Now, the director feature increases the estimated cost from about 7,000 to approximately 60,000 credits. For that kind of investment, this feature needs to deliver a massive improvement. Not just slightly better, just massive. So today, we're going to go through the entire process step by step, and I'll answer the director's questions, build the creative direction, generate the music video, review the final result, and we're going to compare it to the other video we generated in the previous version. Stay to the end because we're going to find out whether this could finally be the one, or whether those 60,000 credits are better spent somewhere else. And be sure to like and subscribe because in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create and produce your music video using the image to video feature, and also teaching you how to lip sync the right way. All right, let's get started. All right, I don't know if you saw my previous video, but I created a brand new R&B star named Zaire Voss, and we created the song briefly in Suno AI, and I will leave a link in the description to Suno AI because this is the program that you're going to want to use if you want to create your own AI pop star. And the reason for that is that once you create a song and a voice that you love, then you can clone the voice. And to do that, and I showed this in the last video, but let me show you real quick. Voice, and then you would create a voice, and you would select the song from your library, and then you'll stamp that voice into Suno. Then you could use it to create your songs and market your new pop star. But anyway, so here's the song that we created, Every Time You Walk In, and that's the song that we're going to use for our music video. And just as a little tip, I did use ChatGPT to help guide me through the whole process from start to finish with the prompts and descriptions and really the whole backstory of Zaire Voss and how I want the music video to look. So don't be afraid to use AI to help you brainstorm when you just run out of ideas. Okay, so we're gonna head right over to OpenArt AI, and here we are. And if you wanted to use the old one-click AI music video generator, you would hop over here to previous version, but we're not gonna do that. That brings up the old dashboard of OpenArt AI. But we're going to go over here on the left side, and we're going to press Director. If you're not familiar with OpenArt AI, it's an extremely versatile program, and I use it for so many creative projects. This is the new Director feature where you can create short films, music videos, product ads, video remixes, social content. You can create your videos in here. Lots of options for that. Then your image generator is here. You create your consistent characters here, and this is exactly what we did for Zaire Voss, is we needed to create a character. I'm going to talk about that briefly in 1 minute. And then this is new in 3D world cam, and you can cast in a scene, and then it creates audio. But yes, if you're creating a music video project, you need to create a character first. So you want to go to image generator, and you want to generate your character right in here. And again, you can grab your description from ChatGPT to help plug that in. And you're definitely going to want to generate a few variations, because once you land on one, you're going to create a reference sheet. And let me show you what that is. So here's my character, Zaire Voss. but I also created something called a reference sheet. And this is uber important for you guys to create your reference sheet so the AI knows how your character looks in different poses. You can just ask ChatGPT to help you create different positions for a prompt for a character reference sheet. And once you have those, you're going to go over to characters and you're going to create your character right there and just follow the prompts. And there is my characters there, Voss. All right. And we're going to need that to generate our music video. So let's go back to the main dashboard, and on the left side, you will see director, and you're going to scroll down here. You're going to click on music video. And this is the beginning of the process where you upload your song. So you could just drag and drop it. Import character. Here's there. Confirm. And then visual direction. I do have a visual direction for my character that I grabbed from ChatGPT. Okay, we have our song, we have our character, and we have our visual direction. Let's go ahead and create our music video. Okay, it's just going to ask you a couple questions. Answer these questions. Approve. So I got to this section here and I got a notification that I have to add 53,000 credits. And I've already spent 7,000 credits on this. So if this is true, then when this is done, like I said before, I will have spent 60,000 credits. I have the credits, so let's use them. It's done. In total, 60,000 credits to create this video. My goodness, this better be good. All right, let's take a peek.
Your picture off my wall. Still your name lives in my phone. We say we're done, then you call, and I let it ring till I'm alone. You know the shape of my weakness. One look and I lose my nerve. You step in soft like a secret, and I forget what I deserve. You touch that door and my heart goes first. I can play it cool, but I know my word. One slow smile and I'm back in line, back in your orbit one more time. Every time you walk in, I fall back in. Every time you walk in, I let you back in. Oh, you do this to me, you make it feel easy. We've got history on our hands, like a stain that won't come clean. Every exit had a reason. Every reason felt like a dream. You wear that dress like a warning. I wear my pride like a chain. Hey, but one word from your mouth, and I'm standing in the rain. 'Cause you touch that door and my mind drifts out. All my careful plans turn to dust now. One more laugh and I'm back in line, back in your orbit one more time. Every time you walk in, I fall back in. Every time you walk in, I let you back in. Oh, you do this to me, you make it feel easy. Every time you walk in, Every time you're walking, I let you back in. Oh, you do this to me. You make it feel easy every time.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So I will say that this video is much, much better than the one-click video from the previous version. However, this costs a lot of credits, and there were some things that I did not like in this. For instance, the woman, she looks a little bit too elderly for him, right? She looks like she's about 20 years older than this guy. So that was an issue, but that could have been my fault for not vetting the images through the chat. The video generations were excellent. The lip syncing, not bad, much, much better than the other version. So, and I wonder if I can go back and edit this. Let's see. So what I like about this director's feature is I can chat with this and then make some changes. And yes, it was transparent. It did tell me that I would be using some credits to make some changes, but I like that it has the option to make those changes. And let me pull up the other video. I'm not going to play the whole thing. Let me just play a couple seconds of the video I created in the previous version of OpenArt AI. Let me just pull that up. Okay, here.
Keep your picture off my wall. Still your name lives in my phone.
Okay, so you see, let me go back to OpenArt AI. You see the quality, the difference in quality. This new director's feature is so much better. And again, the lip syncing is much, much better too. The other one, most of the lip syncing is unusable. OpenArt is going in the right direction, and I have tried a couple other programs, and this one is by far the best. Well done, OpenArt AI. And the fact that I can go back and edit this in the director's chat, I really like that. If you want a professional looking video, this is the software that you're going to have to use, because the other ones just don't match up with this. Yes, this needs work, but a lot of this has to do with your input, your suggestions, and your guidance when it asks you questions. And that was partly my fault with some of the scenes and then the characters in here. But this is where I can edit my shots right here. You can click on the timeline, choose the image or choose a video clip that you want to edit, and then click edit. And then down here, you can recreate, modify the video, extend the video, upscale the video, or grab the frame. Now, with that said, the next video that we're going to be doing is we're going to create videos from image to video and then using the lip sync feature, and it's not going to cost as much as 60,000 credits. It just requires a lot more time and a lot more effort to make that all happen. And that's going to be the difference between doing it the manual way and doing it this way. All right. In this way, it does a lot of it for you, but you're going to spend the money. The other way, yeah, you'll spend about 7,000 to 10,000 credits, but it's going to require work. So if you have the time to invest in working on your videos and producing them yourself, then I would highly recommend you do it that way, because you'll have a lot more control. What you're going to do is you're going to create the images first, and then we're going to create the videos from images, and then we are going to lip sync on any of the lyrics that we want to have the character sing. Be sure to like and subscribe, because that is going to be our next video, and that is going to be one powerful video. So stick around. For my community out there who's been commenting and engaging on all my content, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Keep doing that. Let's keep having conversations and dialogue, because we are all about finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs. And I will see you all on the next video.